Wow, I have never seen this many spiders in one place. There must be thousands of you. You guys don't usually get along, do you? We are social spiders. Social spiders? Oh, you mean like one big family? That's actually quite sweet. We care for each other's children. Children. Oh, that's wholesome. We live as one. We move as one. That's a little creepy. We hunt as one. Anyway, I better be off.
Don't leave. Stay. Be one with us. Join us.
With us.
Stay.
Be one. We feed as one.